I cannot use scissors or a cutter to stick the red paper on top of the green paper. Hi there. Let's talk about stationery and how we use them. Look at all these stationery items. This is paper. These are scissors. This is a cutter. This is a pencil. This is a ballpoint pen. This is an eraser. This is glue. And this is tape. What do we use scissors for? What do we do with scissors? Scissors are for cutting paper. Cutting paper. A cutter can also cut paper. We can use a cutter to cut paper. Scissors and cutters are for cutting paper. Can you cut paper with a pencil? No, you can't. A pencil is not for cutting. A pencil is for writing. We can write letters with a pencil. What is my name? My name is Kea. I will write my name with a pencil. K E A. Kea. Can I write my name with a pen? Yes, I can write my name with a ballpoint pen. K E A. Kea. My name is Kea. I wrote my name twice. This one with a pencil and this one with a pen. I wrote my name twice. Can you write with an eraser? No, you cannot write with an eraser. An eraser is for erasing letters. We can erase letters with an eraser. Can I erase letters written in pencil? Yes, I can. I can erase letters written in pencil. Can I erase letters written in pen? No, I cannot erase letters written in pen. I can erase letters written in pencil, yes. I cannot erase letters written in pen. These are color papers. This paper is green and this paper is red. I want to stick the red paper on top of the green paper. What should I use? Can I use a pencil to stick the red paper on the green paper? Can I use an eraser to stick the red paper onto the green paper? Can I use a pen to stick the red paper on the green paper? No, I cannot use an eraser. I cannot use a pencil. I cannot use a pen. I cannot use scissors or a cutter to stick the red paper on top of the green paper. What can I use? I can use glue to stick the red paper on the green paper. I can use tape to stick the red paper on the green paper. Glue and tape is good to stick the red paper on the green paper. We talked about stationery items and when we can use them. See you soon. Bye.